Welcome back to the Biology by Shravanti. Today we are going to learn about the external and internal structure of the human heart. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. नीचे वहाँ पे रेड कलर बटन रहता है सब्सक्राइब का, उसका ऊपर क्लिक करना है, उसका बाजू में बेल आइकॉन रहता है उसको भी क्लिक करना है. ठीक है. सो कमिंग फॉर द टॉपिक human external and internal structure of the heart. So human heart is having 4 chamber, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. So upper 2 auricles is the upper 2 chambers are called as the auricles and lower 2 chambers are called as the ventricles. And you can see here the partition or a groove between the auricles and ventricles is called as the coronary sinus. The groove between the auricles and ventricles is called as coronary sulcus or atrioventricular groove. And the groove is also present between the 2 ventricles, that is right ventricle and left ventricle. That groove is called as interventricular sulci. So that groove is called as interventricular sulci. So this is completely of the external. You can see externally the aorta is appearing here, supervena cava, right pulmonary artery, right pulmonary vein, left pulmonary artery and left pulmonary vein. So complete structure of the human heart you have learnt about in previous class. The walls कौन सा present है क्या है. So in this lesson we are going to learn about complete internal structure of the human heart. So going to the human heart, so upper 2 chambers are called as auricles बोला. So if you consider this is a heart, this is the right side of the heart and this is the left side of the heart. So right side of heart and left side of the heart. So upper 2 chambers are called as the auricles and lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. So upper 2 chambers are called as auricles and lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles. So this is a right auricle and this is the left auricle. This is a right ventricle and this is a left ventricle. So let us see about the auricles in this ठीक है. So the auricles are nothing but, so right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood and left auricle receives the oxygenated blood. So deoxygenated blood is collected from all the parts of the body and brought by superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. ठीक है. So these 3 जो present है brings the deoxygenated blood towards the right atrium and oxygenated is brought by left. You can see here 4 passages are there. So these 2 and back side will be 2. So that 2 or 4, the 2 are coming from the left lung, that is left pulmonary artery and left pulmonary vein, and 2 are coming from the right lung, so right pulmonary artery and right pulmonary vein. So this here these 2 and here these 2 enter into the or brings the oxygenated blood into the left auricle. So coming for the right auricle का अंदर deoxygenated blood आया. So deoxygenated blood कौन लेके आया बोले तो superior vena cava deoxygenated blood को लेके आया. So ये superior vena cava above the heart, from the head region, shoulder, neck region से जो भी deoxygenated blood है, it is brought into the right auricle through the superior vena cava. And lower parts like legs से, हाथ से, ठीक है. So from below the heart all the blood deoxygenated is brought towards the right auricle with the help of the inferior vena cava. And there is a coronary wall here. This coronary sinus brings the deoxygenated blood which is present surrounding the walls of the heart. ठीक है. So these 3 valves brings the deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. So now coming for the, you can see a depression here. Okay, so the depressions are present in the auricles. So the depressions which are present in the auricles are called as fossa ovalis. So that is called as fossa ovalis. And जो भी blood is brought into the right auricle with the help of the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary. You can see the angle of the superior vena vena cava, it is the upper side, so the blood does not flow back towards the superior vena cava. But if you see the angle of inferior vena cava, so inferior vena cava hole is towards the downer side, so whatever blood brought from with the help of the inferior vena cava chances may be to flow back. So to prevent that flow back of the blood, they are protected with the help of the valves. So inferior vena cava का valves जो present है, that valves are called as Ussarious valves, and coronary circus के पास जो valves present है, that is nothing but Tibaceous valve. And now coming for the ऑरिकल्स का अंदर जो भी ब्लड आया, फ्रॉम राइट ऑरिकल का डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, लेफ्ट ऑरिकल का ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड नाउ एंटर्स इनटू बोथ द ventricles. So deoxygenated blood from right auricle enter into the right ventricle, and oxygenated blood of the left auricle enters into the left ventricle. Now this maybe also have the chance of backflow. So to prevent that black flow of blood, these are also protected with the help of the valves. So the valve which is present between the right auricle and right ventricle is called as the tricapsid valve, and the valve which is present between the left auricle and left ventricle is called as bicapsid valve. So जो भी valves present है, all these valves are nothing but to maintain the prevent of back flow of the blood, such that only one direction of blood enters. And you can see here from the ventricles, now what happened, deoxygenated blood enters from the right auricle to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle it has to transport to the pulmonary trunk, to the lungs again. It has to be sent towards the lung. So you can see here, this is the pulmonary artery, this is the left pulmonary artery, and this is a right pulmonary artery, which is taking away the blood from it, deoxygenated blood towards the lung, where it get purified. Okay, so this is nothing but it is also having the valves, so that valves are called as semilunar valves. And from left lung, from left side of the auricles, the oxygenated blood enters into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle it has passed with the help of the aorta, to all the parts of the body. And there is also valves present, that valves are nothing but semilunar valves. So you can see here the ventricles, these are also inferior thick wall pumping chamber of the heart. The right and left ventricles are separated by, as I said, two ventricles are separated by interventricular septum, and the right ventricle opens into the pulmonary artery and left ventricle open into the aorta. So deoxygenated blood जो भी आया pulmonary artery का अंदर enter हो गई, so it takes back again to the lungs where it get purified, and left ventricle का पास oxygenated blood है, so it is transported to all the parts of the body. And these both valves are present, so that openings are called three semilunar valves के वजह से unidirectional flow of blood हो जाता है. So these valves prevent the back flow of the blood into the ventricles. So this is about the complete structure of the ventricles. That is nothing but internal structure of the heart. Thank you for this session. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my